Good morning everyone. Hi again. This is another video to answer a Reddit question. So the question is, when the total to-dos sum equals 0, I would like it to put a specific photo into the cell below the to-dos, and when the total changes, the photo can change to another or just go away, right? So what the user wants is, when there's a 0 amount here, right, she wants a photo at the bottom of the cell. So what we need to do first is actually create a table of reference. Total to do, right, 0, and then 1 or 2 or 3 and so forth, and then the picture beside the table. So the next step is actually define nim. So you go to formulas, right, then you click on define nim. So the name can be anything, but for this instance we will name it photo, maybe just photo will do. Then in the refers to, we use index formula. So equal index, open bracket, select on the column that has photos, comma, then you use a match formula, and then you match to cell B4, which is the value of the total to-dos, and then the range for lookup, which is A2 to A1. Then you close two brackets, and you press, then you select OK. Right, so you have created a nim, right, photo. Now what you do is select the cell that contains your photo, right? Remember to select the cell, not the photo itself, right? Not like this, not select this like this, but select the cell, right? Then you Control C, right? Then you paste into the cell under the to-do values. What you do is right click, paste special, then select this link picture, and then click on the picture, and then what you do is change the formula to equal photo, which you have created just now. So I think that's it. So let's say if your total to do is 1, it will change to black. So for this purpose, right, I think your value can be 0 or more than 0. So we can put a formula here. So if this value is 0, then value is free is 0. If not, if the value is not 0, then it's 1. Right. Now what you do is you change the name manager. Where's the name manager? Right. You edit the name manager. So now what you do is instead of B4, right? Instead of B4, you select C5. Right. Don't absolute it so that you can reuse the formula later. Okay, so you have work C5 now. Then you press OK just now, then you press close, click on close. So let's say if this value is 5, wait, let me do this again. Photo it doesn't work now. I wonder why. Go to insert, no, data, formula name manager, photo, B3 mesh work C5, A2 to A3. Work C5, A2 to A3. Maybe absolute it. Oops. C5. You just have to do again. So what you do is you copy the cell and you paste special link picture and you click on the photo, then you equal photo again. I wonder why it doesn't work. Maybe the index mesh. So formula name manager. Maybe we just absolute it and see whether it works or not. Reference A2 to A3. Yes. Here equal photo. So do a formula here again, equal if it equal to 0 then it's 0, if not equal to 0 is 1, so we have 5, right? We have 0. Yep. So if you want to change the naming manager, you have to do the whole thing again and then point it to the new cell. So this is quite ugly, so what you do is you just hide this column C. Alright, so you won't see column C, and then you can just, when you freely change this, it will work. I hope this will help you. If it helps you, please give the video a like and follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye bye.